What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Let me start with something that shocks a lot of car owners. That premium leather interior badge your car company proudly advertised? There's a very good chance large parts of it aren't even real leather. Seriously, a lot of modern vehicles use synthetic leather, coated leather, leatherette, or mixed material interiors because they're cheaper to maintain and more resistant to cracking. And that completely changes how you should care for your seats. Because if you're dumping heavy, oil-based conditioners onto synthetic coated seats, you might be wasting money, or worse, leaving behind greasy residue that attracts dirt. On the flip side, if your car has genuine leather and you're only using quick detail sprays, you may not be giving it enough real conditioning to prevent long-term cracking. That's why today we're breaking down the best leather conditioners you can buy right now based on restoration power, protection, ease of use, compatibility with modern interiors, and long-term value. Some are built for deep restoration, some are better for newer synthetic interiors, and one product absolutely dominates if your leather is seriously dried out. Let's get into it. At number 6, we've got Uniter's Leather Conditioner Cream. This is built for people who want deep conditioning and versatility. And I mean versatility. You can use this on car seats, furniture, boots, bags, and even other leather gear around your home. That makes the larger bottle size very appealing. Its cream formula feels richer than liquid competitors, which helps it penetrate dry leather more effectively. This works especially well on older seats that feel stiff or rough. Think older luxury vehicles where side bolsters are starting to feel worn out. It restores softness nicely. But here's the catch. This requires more effort. You'll spend more time working it into the leather and buffing off residue compared to faster liquid formulas. And it's definitely not ideal for suede. Still, if you want one versatile, deep conditioning product, this is a solid option. At number 5, we've got Mother's Leather Conditioner. This one feels old school in the best way possible. Its biggest strength is restoring sun-damaged leather. And if you live somewhere hot where your car constantly sits outside, this becomes very useful. The natural oils help bring dry seats back to life fast. You'll notice leather feels softer almost immediately after use. And the liquid consistency makes full seat application easier than thick creams. That's great if you're doing an entire interior. But here's the downside. Those oils can be risky on lighter colored leather. And if you have heavily perforated seats, you need to be careful not to over-apply. It's excellent for restoring dryness, but less ideal for newer synthetic interiors. At number 4, we've got Lexol Leather Conditioner. This is one of the safest choices on this list, and that's exactly why so many people trust it. Its biggest strength is deep conditioning without leaving greasy residue behind. That's huge for lighter interiors where staining or darkening would be a nightmare. It absorbs quickly, it leaves a natural finish, and it works across multiple leather products beyond cars. This is great for owners who want their interior looking factory fresh rather than shiny. But here's the catch. It's mostly a conditioner. That means it lacks the advanced protection features found in newer products higher on this list. If your car sits outside often, you may still need additional UV protection. At number 3, we've got Chemical Guy's Vintage Series Leather Conditioner. This is where things get much more practical for modern drivers. Why? Because many newer vehicles use mixed material interiors. Real leather here, synthetic leather there, vinyl trim in other places. And this product handles that much better than traditional conditioners. It conditions real leather while also protecting synthetic materials. That makes it far more versatile for newer cars. It also leaves behind a clean, satin finish that looks excellent. And the UV protection adds long-term value. But here's the trade-off. It won't deeply restore heavily neglected leather like our top 2 products. This is more about maintenance than extreme restoration. At number 2, we've got FOLLOWIN ceramic leather coating. This one surprised me because this feels less like a traditional conditioner and more like future-proof protection. Its biggest strength is spill resistance. Coffee spills, kids dropping food, dye transfer from jeans. This product helps protect against all of that. That hydrophobic coating makes cleanup dramatically easier. And for light-colored interiors, that's a massive advantage. It also adds strong UV protection. That makes it fantastic for newer luxury vehicles. But here's the catch. This isn't built for severely neglected leather. If your seats are already dry and cracking, this shouldn't be your first step. Protection is its strength, not heavy restoration. And that brings us to number 1. At number 1, we've got Leather Honey. And this wins because nothing on this list touches its deep restoration ability. If your seats feel dry, stiff, or look like they've been ignored for years, this is the product that can completely transform them. Its formula is incredibly concentrated. A little goes a very long way. That smaller bottle lasts much longer than people expect. And when used properly, it restores softness in a way most quick conditioners simply can't match. This is especially great for older luxury vehicles, classic cars, and heavily worn interiors. But here's the catch. This requires patience. You need to let it sit. This isn't a quick wipe-on product. And lighter leather owners should absolutely patch test first. Still, if true restoration is your goal, this is the clear winner. Before you buy anything, here's the biggest mistake people make. They treat every leather interior the same. That's where people waste money. Figure out whether your seats are genuine leather, coated leather, or synthetic before buying anything. That decision changes everything. So here are the final winners. Best deep restoration product goes to Leather Honey. Best protection product goes to FOLLOWIN. Best modern interior maintenance product goes to Chemical Guys. Best safe classic conditioner goes to Lexol. And best budget restoration pick goes to Mothers. Check the links in the description for updated pricing before buying. And if this video helped save your interior from cracking, fading, or expensive repairs, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.